I know you want to dress better, but nobody wants to be spending time. You don't want to take longer than your chick when it's time to get ready. Take 2 out now, bro. I'm going to help you get ready in 3 minutes every morning and always look good with these time-saving style hacks. Let's hop into this. 1, only buy neutrals. Bro, I can't stress this enough. I love neutral colors. Your whites, your browns, your grays, your blues, your olives. These are the best colors you can buy. Not only do they always look good on almost every skin type, it's easy to mix and match. You go to my wardrobe, it's basically neutrals. You won't find the bright color stuff, the odd color. You won't find none of that stuff, which, yes, it could have their time and place. Yes, it could look good. But if you're the type of guy like me that wants to stay efficient, but you also want to look good easily, bro, neutrals. That way, I'll grab a pant, I'll grab a shirt. I don't even care what they look like. I know they work and I'm out the door. 2, buy multiples of what you like. When it comes to dressing, I found a little trick. You only need about 1 to 2, maybe 3 pants that fit good. Shorts, jeans, maybe a pair of dress pants. With those 3, you can cycle those as long as you want, as long as you have enough tops, right? The tops is where you want to spend a little bit of extra money on, so you have enough to cycle through the same pair of jeans, and it makes it seem as if you don't have the same pair of jeans. This is why I say, when you find a top you like, let's say you like a t-shirt, yo, buy that t-shirt in multiple colors. Buy that t-shirt even in the same color 3, 4 times, because this is the reality of it. When I go to my wardrobe, right, or before, there were certain pieces that I would wear every single week, twice, 3 times a week, because those were my favorite pieces. Why would you force something you do not like? So if you know this is your favorite piece, go back to that store and buy another 5 pieces in different colors. That way you can wear what you love every single day, and you know you look good. You don't have to be trying to figure out how to make something work that doesn't look good. This is why with essentials, I always talk about the same thing. Look, our stuff is unbranded and it fits amazing. You know you like it already. Find multiples of the pieces that you find best, the ones that work for you the best, and I'm gonna hook it up. If you're the type of guy that wants tops, but you don't have enough tops to cycle through the week, I got you covered. I'm gonna hook you up with every essential you need. Listen to this. I'm gonna give you one of our new oversized tees. The material on this, chef's kiss. I'm gonna also hook you up with our new crew neck hoodie. The material on this, chef's kiss. I'm gonna also hook you up with our hoodies, our half zip, and our new tank tops. That's 5 new pieces. 5 new essential pieces to add to your wardrobe that you can cycle through the week, mix and match with any jean, dress pant, short that you want, and I promise you, you will look good. And then out of those 5, whichever you like the best, you can always come back and double down on the items that you know you want to wear over and over and over again. But I'm going to hook you up with the initial seed investment. Look at this. If you buy the bundle today of all these new tops, it'll be linked down below. There's 5 pieces. I'm going to give you 40% off today. Today, if you buy the bundle, yo, Christmas is around the corner, bro. This is your time to start buying. Buy it for yourself. Buy a bundle for your dad, for your brother. Hook them up this Christmas. And not only that, you have to understand, I think we're pretty much sold out of everything. Like most of the popular stuff is gone, which means this stuff is not going to last. Our Santa Lucia, we're running out of inventory. Jade Black, most of the popular glasses are gone. Santa Lucia, most of the fragrances, the new bottles, they're gone. I don't want it to get to Black Friday. We're out of almost everything, and you guys missed the boat. Don't miss the boat. If you guys want to check it out, click the link down below. Number 3, use dry shampoo. Look, when you're getting ready in the morning, your hair takes the most time. That's why your boy shaved it off. Look, I'm getting ready in 3 minutes. I'm out the door. I'm looking good. But I still remember my curly hair days from like 4 months ago. The reality was my hair took the most time, bro. Like when you're trying to style it, you have to dry it off. You use the blow dryer, then you use the product. You just wasted 10 minutes, especially if you're coming out the shower. So avoid getting your hair wet. You don't have to wash your hair every day. You can wash it every 2 days, every 3 days, right? Now, to stay hygienic, that's when you use a dry shampoo. When you're not washing, even though your hair is gonna look good, it's gonna start smelling wrong. It's gonna start weighing down because of the grease. Dry shampoo absorbs that grease, neutralizes odors, and it gives you the texture you need to be able to style your hair and make it look good without wasting a lot of time. Number 4, own less clothes. I cannot stress this enough. Go to your wardrobe and start throwing things away. Look, this is the easiest trick you can do. Go to your wardrobe right now. Don't start throwing things away. I want you to flip all your hangers. So unhang everything, turn it around, hang it back, and make sure your hangers are backwards. Within a week or 2, you're going to notice that what your brother tells you is true. I'm not lying to you. There's going to be about 2 to 3 pieces in your wardrobe that you constantly reuse and reuse and reuse. The rest, you barely use it because you don't like it. So that stuff, it's just adding bulk to your wardrobe, unnecessary bulk. Take it all down, donate it, sell it, do whatever you gotta do, and just keep the 4 or 5 key pieces that you know you wear all the time. And then build out your wardrobe with the stuff that you like, with the stuff that fits right. That way when you get ready in the morning, you're not trying to figure out how to style something you don't even like to wear. Finally, number 5, create an outfit library. I've already told you, a full-length mirror is a must in every guy's room. You need it. You need to be able to check out the fit, make sure it's good. On top of checking out the fit every morning, take a picture, a quick picture, then sort it, create an album of your outfits on your phone. What this is gonna do is it's gonna take the thought process out of outfits. Every night, the night before, you can decide, all right, what am I wearing tomorrow? I'll wear this outfit. Or how do I wear this sweater? I'll wear it this way. A lot of times you'll forget how to mix and match stuff, and to take the thought process out of it, you can just go through your photo library of fits, and it's like your own personal catalog on how to style all your outfits. You're good to go. There's no more thought process.